Hey guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to make an e-to-teleport. First make two parts. This is the teleporter. Click on the part and add a proximity prompt. Then add a script inside the proximity prompt. After you are done with the script, you are going to do the same thing to the other part. Now this is scripting for part 2. Call the first part part 1 and the second part for part 2. Remember to put part 2 inside part 1. Making a folder is optional. Let's test it out. It's working as it should.